Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know and anticipate about Nikon's highly anticipated flagship mirrorless camera, the Nikon Z7 III. This upcoming release has photography and videography enthusiasts buzzing with excitement. Whether you're a professional photographer, an aspiring videographer, or just someone curious about cutting-edge camera technology, this comprehensive guide will provide insights into groundbreaking features, the release timeline, and everything in between about the Nikon Z7 III. Nikon Z7 III release window. The Nikon Z7 III is shaping up to be a game-changer, with rumors pointing to a potential release between August and November 2025. Nikon has a history of unveiling major upgrades in the second half of the year, lending credibility to this timeline. Fans of the Z series cameras are eagerly awaiting the official announcement, as the Z7 III is poised to elevate Nikon's presence in the high-resolution mirrorless camera market. Historically, Nikon has made substantial leaps during these release windows, delivering innovation that rivals industry leaders such as Sony and Canon. With speculation tying the Z7 III announcement to major events like the CP Plus camera and photo imaging show in February, anticipation is reaching new heights. This strategic timeline aligns perfectly with the unveiling of features that promise to redefine the standards of photography and videography. Higher resolution. The core of the Nikon Z7 III. At the heart of the excitement surrounding the Nikon Z7 III is its rumored high-resolution sensor. This critical upgrade positions the camera to compete head-to-head with market leaders such as the Sony A7 R series. Sources suggest that Nikon may introduce either a 61-megapixel sensor sourced from Sony or a 67-megapixel sensor developed by TowerJazz. This leap in resolution aims to capture unprecedented detail and clarity, making the Z7 III ideal for landscape, portrait, and commercial photography. Unlike its predecessor, the Z7 II, which featured a 45.7-megapixel sensor, the Z7 III's sensor technology is expected to push the boundaries of dynamic range and color accuracy. This upgrade ensures that even in challenging lighting conditions, the Z7 III will deliver impeccable image quality. The rumored inclusion of back-illuminated sensor, BSI, technology promises enhanced light sensitivity, making this camera a powerhouse for both day and night photography. Advanced autofocus with AI integration. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z7 III is its AI-enhanced autofocus system. The rumored 493-point autofocus system is set to incorporate advanced subject detection, enabling photographers to capture fast-moving subjects with precision. Whether you're shooting wildlife, sports, or action-packed events, the Z7 III's AI capabilities will ensure razor-sharp focus even in complex scenarios. Additionally, the integration of AI-based subject tracking is expected to elevate the user experience for videographers. With AI continuously adapting to different shooting conditions, the Z7 III will make it easier than ever to capture cinematic quality footage. This smart tracking feature ensures accurate focus on faces, eyes, and moving subjects, reducing the need for manual adjustments. Video capabilities. Professional-grade performance. Nikon is making significant strides in video technology with the Z7 III, cementing its position as a hybrid camera that caters to both photographers and videographers. The camera is rumored to support 8K video recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at 60 frames per second. This feature will undoubtedly attract content creators and filmmakers looking for high-resolution footage with cinematic quality. To further enhance its video capabilities, the Z7 III is expected to offer 10-bit internal recording and ProRes RAW support. These features provide unmatched flexibility in post-production, enabling professionals to achieve the desired look and feel in their projects. Additionally, the ability to shoot at high speeds, potentially up to 20 frames per second in burst mode, ensures that every moment is captured with stunning clarity and detail. Design and usability. Built for professionals. The Nikon Z7 III is expected to maintain the brand's reputation for robust and ergonomic designs. The inclusion of a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen LCD will provide greater flexibility, allowing photographers and videographers to shoot from challenging angles. The camera's user-friendly interface is anticipated to offer customizable controls, making it easier for professionals to access essential functions on the go. Additionally, the camera is rumored to feature dual UHS-2 SD card slots, ensuring reliable and high-speed data storage during extended shoots. Durability and weather sealing are also key design elements that Nikon is likely to prioritize, making the Z7 III suitable for various shooting environments, whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes in harsh weather or documenting events in dynamic settings. Connectivity for the modern era. Seamless connectivity is becoming increasingly important for professional workflows, and the Nikon Z7 III is expected to deliver on this front. The camera is rumored to support 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, enabling faster file transfers and remote control capabilities. Whether you're transferring images to a mobile device or uploading them to cloud storage, the Z7 III ensures a smooth and efficient process. This connectivity upgrade aligns with Nikon's goal of making the Z7 III a modern tool for photographers and videographers who demand both convenience and performance. The ability to integrate with Nikon's SnapBridge app will likely further enhance workflow efficiency, enabling users to control settings, monitor shots, and share content instantly. Competing with industry leaders. Nikon engineers have their sights set on outperforming competitors, particularly the Sony A7 IV and other flagship models from Canon. The Z7 III's rumored features suggest that it will deliver superior image quality, dynamic range, and low-light performance. By incorporating innovative sensor technology and AI-driven processing, Nikon is positioning the Z7 III as a formidable rival in the industry. What's next? The countdown to the Nikon Z7 III's release has begun, and the excitement is only growing as we await official announcements. The rumored features paint a picture of a camera that could redefine the standards for high-resolution photography and videography. Whether you're a professional or an enthusiast, the Z7 III promises to deliver the tools you need to unleash your creativity. Stay tuned to Techno Trend Zone for more updates on the Nikon Z7 III and other groundbreaking tech releases. As always, we'll keep you informed with the latest news, rumors, and in-depth analysis to help you stay ahead of the curve. Let us know in the comments what features you're most excited about and how you think the Nikon Z7 III will compare to its competitors. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.